Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In a few seconds or in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can simply set up autoresponder on your phone. So while we go through the process, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification button. You're going to be getting a lot of tips on how to make money and tutorials on different apps on these channels. So let's go in where I have my autoresponder app. I'm just getting it installed. So it's going to be a fast video. So I'm going to install it. Install. Good. It's going to show me this error because the the app is not from Play Store, and Play Store is trying to protect their protect my phone. So what I'm going to do now is for me to go to Play Store and authorize this installation. So I go to Play Store. Okay, let me go back so you understand. So when you get to the Play Store, you go to your manage app and device, then click on no harmful app found. Once you click on it, you go to this settings here and click on it. Once you click on this, turn off this play protect settings, turn it off. Once you turn it off, authorize it with your fingerprint or your password. With this being turned off, I can be able to install the autoresponder. So let me go back now. Let me go back to my drive where I have no, this is not what I want. So autoresponder. This time around is going to be installed because I have removed the settings that is stopping it. And here we have it, app installed. So let's open it. Good. So here is the autoresponder settings. So you get started, close all apps, allow, close, and here you are. Good. So first thing we're going to do is to turn on this, turn it on here, and go to our notification access. So click on this. If you see here, I can't turn it on. It's telling me restricted access, restricted access. Why? Because my phone is also trying to protect itself. So what I'm going to do now is to go to my settings, go to settings on your phone and click on app management. It's very simple. Click on app management. You see your app list, click on it. You go to the file you are installing. Remember, we are installing autoresponder. So once it opens, I'll go to my autoresponder here and click on it. Okay, once it's open, what you do is to go to these three lines and you see allow restricted settings. All I need to do is to say yes and authorize it with my fingerprint. So once I'm done with allowing these settings, I'll go back to my autoresponder settings that showed me this. This time around, because I've allowed the restricted settings, I'll be able to turn it on. You know, autoresponder works with notification. Your notification has to be on for it to work. So that's why we're going through all these processes. So with this, my autoresponder is getting ready. So here, let me add to it. Go to the settings here. Like I have two WhatsApp on my phone. Which of the WhatsApp do I want to be using this autoresponder? I will select this. That is that for that. Then you can start adding rules. Maybe I'll make another video on how to add rule, but let me just do one. Let's assume somebody is coming to your DM for the first time. You tell you hello Rita or hi Rita, and I might not be there to respond to everything. That is the essence of autoresponder. Autoresponder is work for you. So your duty is to set up those messages that people that come to your DM are they're always asking you, maybe how much is this? I want to get started. Can you tell me more? You set it all on your autoresponder so that even when you are not with your phone, even when you are sleeping, your phone can be responding to your customers and they can even pay. You can set up your autoresponder to give people your account details when they are ready to make payment. So let's just do one, and with that you can learn from it. So you click on this plus sign, you click on the plus sign, it's asking you should be answered. So what they will ask me, let somebody comes to my phone and say hi as the message. I will select high similarity match, because if I select exact match, it's this response will only come when somebody just type hi. But if somebody type hi Rita, this can also respond to it. So what should be sent when somebody send me hi? I can say, okay, hello, welcome to my space. That's all. You see it, I can set how many minutes I want it to. Let us know if I want it to delay a bit so that it will look as if I'm the one responding. I can just say, in the next 5 seconds, respond to this message. That's all for, there are many other things, but for now, this is all I want it to be. So for me to test this rule that I have, you can have over 20 rules in your autoresponder. Just go on, set everything. You can ask, okay, let me test what I have done. So I'll just say, hi. In the next 5 seconds, my autoresponder will respond, welcome to my space. So this is how it works. So if I set up another rule, say, okay, I want to learn, or can you tell me more about my business? I can put an answer that will have a link to my YouTube channel that will explain what the business is all about, or a link to my catalog and all of that. So this is the essence of autoresponder. So I don't want to make this video long. Maybe in the next video, I'm going to show you details on how to set up these rules and authorize it on your phone. So if you find this video very helpful, don't hesitate to like and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until I come your way, do have a good day. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.